Welcome to VTU Electrical YouTube channel. In this video, based on the student request, I'll be giving important questions in all the modules Basic Electrical Engineering VTU syllabus. First module, DC circuits. In this module, we are having 5 important questions. 4 will be appearing in your examination, compulsory. First question, state Ohm's law and its limitation. Second one, state KCL and KVL with illustration. In these two questions, one question compulsory. Explain the generation of AC voltage. And fourth question, derive average value and RMS value. Compulsory question for your examination. Explain the phasor representation of alternating quantities. All the topics covered in your VTU syllabus, Basic Electrical Engineering. And also they may ask question based on series and parallel circuit problems. And also KCL KVL problems also you have to solve. Okay. In this module 1, once again, please concentrate Ohm's law and its limitation, KCL and KVL with illustration, derivation of average value and RMS value. These 3 questions are compulsory in your examination. Second module, derivation of RLC circuits. They may ask question like this, derive a pure resistance and also pure capacitance and also pure inductance does not consume any power, or they'll give equation also, power is equal to VI cos phi or power is equal to 0. We have to derive, we have to prove. Okay. So derivation of RLC circuits, one question compulsory. Derivation of RL, RC, RLC circuit, and also define power factor, real power and reactive power. Okay. And fourth question, mention the advantage of 3-phase over single-phase supply. And fifth question, explain the generation of 3-phase voltage. And sixth question, see here, derivation of relation between line voltage, line current, phase current of star connected load or delta connected load, or measurement of power by using 2 wattmeter method. See, I have given 3 star over here, 1, 2, 3, and 4 questions I have given 3 star. These 3 star questions are compulsory in your examination. You can refer 3 years of question paper also, and problems based on RL, RLC, RC and star derivation, delta derivation. They'll give problems based on these concepts and 2 wattmeter method concept. Okay. See here, again module 2 compulsory questions are 3 star questions like derivation of RLC and derivation of star, delta and power measurement by using 2 wattmeter method. Please refer, please go through this question and also please practice. Okay. And module number 3, explain the principle and operation construction of single phase transformer, difference between core and cell type transformer, derive EMF equation of transformer, what are the laws of transformer, how to eliminate losses, and derive condition for maximum efficiency and also define efficiency. Okay. That is module 3 transformer concepts. And explain 2-way and 3-way control of lamp, define earthing, explain the plate earthing and pipe earthing. 8th question, write a short note on fuse and MCB. And 9th question, what is electric shock, explain the precaution against electric shock. This is common question, general question. Okay. And 10th question, explain the block diagram, service mains, meter board and distribution board. And also the last question, problems based on transformer to determine number of turns, flux and induced EMF, and also efficiency at half load, full load and 3/4 of load. You may expect the questions, problems based on these concepts. See here, 3 star question, explain the construction and operation of transformer, derive EMF equation of transformer and derive condition for maximum efficiency of transformer, explain 2-way and 3-way control of lamp and define earthing and explain the plate earthing and pipe earthing. And another one, what is electric shock, explain the precaution against electric shock. You can check 3 years of question paper. These 3 star questions are commonly appeared in your examination. See, either they will give a EMF equation of transformer or condition for maximum efficiency of transformer. Keep it in your mind. And also 2-way, 3-way control of lamp and also earthing, plate earthing or pipe earthing. Module number 4, explain the construction of a DC generator, derive EMF equation of DC generator. And third question, explain types of DC generator. Fourth question, explain the back EMF and its significance. Derive torque equation of DC motor. Explain construction of DC shunt motor. Explain the characteristics of DC shunt motor and series motor. And also you can expect another one question, application of DC motor. See here, in this module number 4 only we are having 6 questions. 4 questions will be appearing in your examination, either torque equation or EMF equation compulsory, or principle in construction of DC generator compulsory question in your VTU basic electrical question paper. Okay, and problems based on generator EMF equation, problem based on types of DC motor and DC generator, problems based on torque equation, problems based on motor characteristics. Okay, so just you read these 3-star questions. Okay, and module number 5, first question, explain the principle and construction of alternator, derive EMF equation of synchronous generator or alternator. See, in these two, one question compulsory, define synchronous speed, third question, and explain the advantage of stationary armature over rotating armature, and explain the principle and construction of 3-phase induction motor. And very important concept, 6th question, explain the concept of rotating magnetic field. 7th question, define question, why we need starter. Explain these 3-star questions are very important for your compulsory. One question compulsory, and also problems based on slip, one question compulsory. NS is equal to 120F by P, S is equal to NS minus NR divided by NS, FR is equal to SF, NR is equal to NS into 1 minus S. Okay, these are the very important questions, and also I covered all the concepts from basic electrical engineering, 100% syllabus covered. Okay, so you refer 3-star questions, definitely those questions will appear in your examination. Either they will give Ohm's law or KCL. Either they will give average value or RMS value derivation. Module 2, they will give RLC derivation, one question compulsory. Star delta 2 wattmeter method, 2 questions are compulsory. And module 3, either they will give EMF equation of transformer or condition for maximum efficiency of transformer or construction of transformer. 2-way and 3-way control of lamp or earthing, explain plate earthing and pipe earthing compulsory. And what is electric shock, that is general, explain the precaution against electric shock also. And module 4, you can expect compulsory question, construction of DC generator and EMF equation of DC generator or torque equation of DC motor, compulsory question. See here only 6 question, in that 6, 4 will be there in your question paper. And module number of 5, construction of alternator or EMF equation of alternator, compulsory question. And concept of rotating magnetic field, derivation of rotor frequency and slip significance, or why we need starter, explain star to delta starter. These 3, again I am telling you, 3-star questions are compulsory in your examination. You can check 3 or 4 years of question paper, so you'll get some idea definitely. Thank you so much.